Hello guys, and welcome back to the Flutter tutorial. So far we've learned how to create a row, we've learned how to create a column, we've learned how to create a list view, and we've learned how to create a nested list view inside our list view. So today we will dive in more with the list view. But before we do so, our widget currently is actually quite messy, so we will refactor it. We will have a clean code instead of that. So if we want to change something, it might be easier for us. So for example, at this row, if we have a look at this row, we can refactor it. We can have this row inside another widget or another method, and here we can just call the widget or the method. So select the row and don't select the comma, then right click the row and go to refactor, then extract method, and here type the name of the method you want to create, let's say row, and hit enter. And as you can see, instead of having the actual row, we are just having the name of the function here, the method row. It's returning a row. We can change it to widget as well. So now our row, our actual row, is returned by this method, and we will call this method inside our list view. So let's continue refactoring our code. For example, we can take all this size box, or we can leave the size box but take the list view. So let's do that. I will take the list view, select it, then right click it, go to refactor and click on extract method, and here type the name of the method you want, for example sized list view, and hit enter. And here we will have the size box and the child is sized list view, and this is our list view, this list view. So let's continue. For example, let me show you something. For example, here this three widgets, the text, the button, the container. Can we take them and refactor them inside some, for example, method? Of course we can. Why? Because each method currently return only one widget, and if we want to return multiple widgets, we have to wrap it with a row or a column or a list view. So if we want to take this three widgets, what we can do, we can cut them, then type column, for example. Inside the column we will have children, then inside the children paste them. Then now, and don't forget the comma down here, now we can take this column and put it inside some method. If we save it now, let's see what happens. Here's our column. Nothing actually changed, only this text. It was on the left side, now it's in the center, because as you know, column in the cross-axis alignment, the default value is center. So we can change that to start if we want to. We can say cross-axis alignment, then cross-axis alignment dot start, and we will have the same result as we had before. So now what we can do, we can mark this column, then right click it, and don't mark it with the comma, just the column. Right click it and we can click extract method, or we can click extract Flutter widget. The difference between extract method and extract Flutter widget is that when we say extract method, it will extract a method like this, for example, like this row. It will have a widget or a list view or whatever the returning type of the widget, then it will return it as is. While extract Flutter widget will create a stateless or stateful widget, then it will return the content we mark. So let's try this time extract Flutter widget. Let's call it static, for example, static widget, and change this to capital S, hit refactor. Then here we have to say const. Now let's have a look at this created static widget. Let's go down and see it. So it created a stateless widget with a build function. Then inside the build function, it returned our column as is. So if I save it now, nothing actually will happen. It will remain as is. So that's how we extract methods, how we extract widgets, and our main widget, our main build function now looks much cleaner. And if we want to edit any of those, we can just go to it and edit inside it.